welcome back, everyone. Time now, 4:47. Quiet right now for most of us in East Tennessee, but we know we've been warning everyone all week that's going to change.
Absolutely. I guess preparation-wise, grab an umbrella, but really just kind of stay inside if you can.
Yeah, make sure you've got your umbrella handy, but really the most important thing today is going to be to know how you're going to receive your weather alerts. And we're talking about all day today, all night tonight, even into the overnight hours. This has the potential to be a significant event, so it's really important that you take this threat seriously and that you know how you're going to receive those weather alerts if any are issued. So far this morning, we are fairly quiet outside. This is a live look over our Embassy Suites camera. We've got plenty of clouds out there. It's a mild start with temperatures sitting in the upper 60s and low 70s. 72 right now in Sevier County, 72 in Morristown, 69 in Wartburg, and 70 this morning in Kingston. Winds continue to be slightly gusty at times, especially for areas north and west. They've had a 24-mile-per-hour gust in Jamestown and a 20-mile-per-hour gust there in Maynardville. As you look at Storm Tracker 6 radar, we have not seen a lot of activity during the overnight hours. And right now, maybe we're picking up on just a stray shower over Monroe County, perhaps an isolated shower there popping up near Gatlinburg. I want to expand the picture, though, to show you this line of showers and thunderstorms that I'm really keeping my eyes on. This is from Lexington all the way down towards Bowling Green. Now, it's been moving fairly slowly, but we've got to watch that line because that has the potential to drop down into our southeast Kentucky areas, likely closer to around sunrise this morning, anytime from about 7 to 8 a.m. And then as that continues to progress southward, there may be the chance for a few of those storms to be strong to severe. Our overall severe weather risk this morning is on the lower end, but it's not zero. So you still want to make sure that you're paying attention even to that round of rain and storms this morning. The Storm Prediction Center has updated our severe weather risk for the day today, and now we're all under level 3 out of 5 risk with a level 4 out of 5 risk back towards Nashville. As we zoom in terms of this first round of potential storms, now because that line may drop down from the north, from Kentucky, and kind of swing through the area, and it could be delayed, it wouldn't surprise me if we see a few strong to severe thunderstorms as early as lunchtime. So this first round timing is going to be from this morning, generally mid-morning, through the entire afternoon and evening hours. We are really watching one area closely. I've actually expanded that area that we're watching. Notice that it's kind of along I-75 and especially for areas further north. Now, if you're under that hatched area, what that indicates is that you especially have to be paying attention to the forecast because those locations may have a slightly better opportunity to see a few tornadoes today. But everyone is under that level 3 out of 5 risk. There is expected to be another round of severe storms that moves through tonight. So just because we see some rain and thunderstorms throughout part of your day, that doesn't mean the severe weather threat is over. The atmosphere has a lot of potential today for us to see multiple rounds of severe weather. So this second round would really be likely a line that starts anywhere from about 8 to 10 p.m. over the plateau, then progresses through the valley between 10 to midnight before making its way closer towards areas over the Smokies and locations further south after midnight. Because of that potential for an overnight threat, that's why it's super important that you keep your phone on loud. And again, you have multiple ways to receive your weather alerts. We have updated our hail threat as well. That's now in the medium to high category. And some of this hail today could be large. We're talking larger than quarter-size hail, maybe even up to golf ball size hail with a thunderstorm or two. Heavy rain also in the medium to high category. That's going to be a huge concern that may lead to some flooding, wind damage there as well, and our tornado risk today in the medium category. This is for everyone, our entire area. There's also a flood watch today for everyone as well, and that's going to extend through early tomorrow morning. Flash flooding may become a big concern tonight as we see multiple rounds of rain. We also want to give you an update and make sure you know the difference between a watch and a warning. Of course, a watch is going to come out several hours ahead of time. It means there's the potential for severe weather, whereas a warning indicates that opportunity for you to see severe weather imminently. Super important that you've got multiple ways to receive your alerts. So let's go through the timeline forecast here for your day today. So this morning, you can see some of those rain and thunderstorms. Then as we head towards lunchtime, there is the chance that one or two of these storms are on the severe side. Watch what happens though this afternoon. Coverage of storms really increases. Some of this rain could be very, very heavy at times, and we do have that potential to see a few tornadoes this afternoon. Still holding on to an elevated severe weather threat all the way through tonight and into the overnight hours. Tomorrow's forecast is mainly for the morning. Your first half of your day on Thursday is when we're going to see that chance for severe weather, and then we're a lot quieter for the weekend.
Okay, only a few